If you find yourself banned from Zoom, you can appeal the decision by following a structured process. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through the appeal. Step 1. Review the ban notification. Check the email or message you receive regarding the ban. It usually contains details about the reason for the ban and any relevant policies you may have violated. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any evidence that supports your case. This could include screenshots, chat logs, or any other documentation that demonstrates your compliance with Zoom's guidelines. Step 3. Write your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter. Explain why you believe the ban was unjustified, include your evidence, and express your willingness to comply with Zoom's policies in the future. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal to Zoom support team through their official contact form or email. Make sure to include all necessary information, such as your account details and the specifics of your ban. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up on your appeal. Be polite and patient, as the review process may take some time. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban and increase your chances of regaining access to your Zoom account. Good luck!